Oh, just turned my car right back off. Oof, it's been a minute, guys. So just in case y'all new to the channel and everything, I'm just letting y'all know it's very important to go get your breasts checked and everything. I had a whole ordeal with that, from going from mammograms to having to get ultrasounds to having to get magnifying mammograms, and then a biopsy and a possibility of a clip. So go back and watch those videos, but it's very important to get your breast checked, ladies. So before all of that went down, guys, y'all know the journey that we've been having with our hair. Y'all know the journey that we have been having with our hair. And I'm telling you, I gave myself a little break because I put in crochets, remember? Put in crochets and I liked it. It was just a little bit too long for my taste. I think I told y'all about that, right? So at least I know when I put crochets in my hair that I can go 12 inches or shorter. So I like it that length. I can't do the 22 inches. I got up this morning, I put on my aloe vera juice and water. I also put on the Big Papa gel. Okay, guys? I put on the Big Papa gel. And this is how my curls, turned out. You see that? But guys, I'm still in this mode. I'm liking it. So I haven't been cutting in it because of everything that has been going on and because my hair has been put up, right? So guys, what I am planning on doing today is going to the store and buying some hair. I'm in the mood to make me a simple mohawk. All right, guys, so what I am going to do is I am going to get dressed. I'm just going to get dressed. And I am going to go to the store and look for some hair. This hair store that I'm going to, hopefully they'll let me film for you guys. But I curl my hair with the products that I'm going to be using on a regular basis for a reason. Because I want to match up a curl that is close to what's in my head now. And what I'm thinking so far, guys, is that I'm just going to make a mohawk hairpiece, okay? Call it a topper, if you will. So to me, my hair is like a jerry curl type. So if I can find some short hair that's a jerry curl type, then I'll use that. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But we both want to see together. So I'm just gonna throw on some clothes and we're gonna make it over here to the store, okay, guys? And while I'm throwing on my clothes, hit that like, comment, subscribe, share, and the notification bell and all that, because guys, we have been jamming over here. We have been jamming over here. All right, let's go. Oh, just turned my car right back off. Oof, it's been a minute, guys. Like I said, every time it comes down to my hair, I always follow my mind on what I'm gonna do with my hair and everything like that. And I needed, the time that I had put my hair up, guys, I needed my hair to be put up. I didn't know why, but I needed my hair to be put up. And I was doing things that was unorthodox. You know how you're not really sure about something, but you say, you know what? You put aside everything of what you feel like people is going to think or say or whatever like that about how you look or your hair. You say, I don't care. And that was the best relief ever. I give you an example. I had me and my husband was going to the gym, and I had put some some gel in my hair and the products in my hair and everything. And usually I carry a hat. Because I don't know how my hair is gonna curl up, act, and things like that. So I'm like, man, before I get caught out in these streets, looking crazy, I'm gonna have me a hat to throw on. Oh, guys, my face so fat. So this particular day, I just did not care. I couldn't even make myself care, guys. I threw on my products on my hair, guys, and I walked straight on out the house, and we went to the gym, and everything was okay. A lot of times, guys, we put stress on ourselves. Live your life, okay? I'm telling you right now, live your life. I just care about what God want me to do, how God want me to treat you, and that's where I am now. You know, I'm all about, you know, what God wanted me, how He wants me to talk to you guys, what message do He want me to get to you guys, how do He want me to treat just people in general. You know, how can I change for the better? Everything else really didn't matter. And it doubly didn't matter once I had to take all of these exams and, you know, biopsies and, you know, and things like that. That really didn't matter. That put everything in perspective. You just don't know how God is going to deliver you from your own mental prison. We have made it to the store. My battery is trying to run out on you guys. I hope I can film it. So let's get ready to go in the store. And I hope they let me film in this store, guys. All right, guys, we have made it to the store, and this is the hair that I was telling you guys about that looked like a jerry curl look, a really tight curl, because that's the hair that matches my hair the best. Now, really, now that I'm thinking about it, if I'm going to do a mohawk, okay, that's fine. See, this is the aqua jerry curl. That's what I'm showing you now. And it's almost like a corkscrew, almost like a corkscrew hair. And you looking at my hair right here, and you seeing how tight my hair is, right? But then when I started thinking about it, guys, I know how I am. And they have so many different hair selections up here. I got to go with my gut. Now, I usually get the Oprah curl. That's the one that I usually get. But then I saw this right here. And for some reason that was grabbing me. And as you see, that's sassy. So, guys, I ended up putting back the jerry curl. I ended up putting back what I have in my hand here. And I ended up getting the sassy. And on top of that, I only got one pack. So now, I am going to try to look through the store, see what else they have. That's pretty too. That's pretty too. So, I am going to look through the store, see what else they have, because they be having everything in the store, guys. Clothes, every product that you would want to, you know, get. They didn't have no jerry curl, though. That's what I'm looking for now, jerry curl. That's that snapback. Now, y'all know I got some of that, but I can't use it on my hair. But since we are using the fake hair, I can use that. All right, guys, so I got the hair. I showed y'all as much of the store that I could show you guys. The hair that we ended up getting is Model Poise in this human hair master mix. That's what I was telling y'all before. At first I was going to get the Aqua Jerry. That was the first one I picked up. But then I was like, no, because it did have a tight jerry curl look to it, but I had to go with my heart. And I got one pack, 3 of them come in a row, and it looks like this, guys. So I got that, and then I was trying to give me some more crochet braids, guys. I'm telling you right now. I was going to give me some more of that. Is that all I got? I thought I got 2 things. Oh, and I got the hat. Now, I'm going to see how I'm going to end up sewing this hair on here, because I want a mohawk, but I also know the way I really wear my hair too. And you know me, I have to wear it in more than one way. So we'll you know what, we'll play it by ear. So let's get to the house. We are almost back, and guys, I have something to show you guys that I bought for myself that was just so cute. That just made me feel better. You know, after everything that I have been going through, you know, medically, that I have shared with you guys, I bought myself something that is just the cutest thing. And I really, really like it. I really like it. I would love to go buy all of my girlfriends one of these things, but they only had this one. They only had this one left, and I got it for myself. Oh, guys, I'm tired. I'm about to take these clothes off and everything. But look, we have made it back from the store, and the hair that I chose to get was Sky Sassy, and it has 3 bundles in it, okay? It has 3 bundles in it. And can you see it? It looks like this in the pack. It looks like this in the pack. Hopefully I'll be able to do my hair with just these 3 bundles, because I don't want it heavy and I don't want it too thick. But this is what we decided on. And the hair was $11.99. The hair was $11.99. So we got that, and we also got the cap. Okay, so we also got the cap, and it's a 3D multi-use black adjustable deluxe luxury weaving cap. It says it's premium quality and all of that. So this is what we ended up getting to sew the hair on. But this is what I could not wait to show you guys. I could not wait to show you guys. I am excited about this little thing, guys. I am excited about it. Now, I went in the store. I saw this. This cost $7. But it is so sexy. It is so just girly. And like I said, if I would have seen some more of them, I would have bought every last one of my girlfriends one of these things. Look what I found, guys. Isn't that the cutest? This is the cutest. This is so cute. This is so sexy. And you know why I say it has encouraged me to drink water? Guys, because it is a cup. That is a cup. Come on now. And I feel sexy with it. I'm telling you. I've been drinking. When I first got this and washed it out, guys, I drank like 10 of these. 10 of these full of water. And I'm like, okay, it just made me feel a certain way. Well, you have reached at It's Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you will not miss the next video, which will be about this wig and hair piece, okay? So click the next video, guys, if you want to see how it turns out and how I ultimately end up doing it, right? Right. But your girl is tired. I am about to go rest my body. Thanks for coming by, spending this time with me, thumbing up, sharing, liking, and also leave a comment in the comment section down below if I didn't address anything that you would want to know. And guys, you know what? I am going to talk to you later. Mwah.